Yes, boys, welcome back to another motherfucking trade recap. Today is Thursday, the 28th of May, 2026, and we did take an R today. The win streak is now over. Yeah, it's absolute pain. I have deleted all my drawings, so I'm going to have to raw dog this, but I'll put the executions up. We'll go through a quick trade recap and just go through my thought process from what I can remember, because like I said, as like you can see, all my drawings are gone because I'm an absolute monk. Yeah, coming into today, God, my throat. Coming into today, I was very bullish. All-time highs, we're at all-time high conditions, displacing towards this all-time high, respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish, just obviously bullish. Yeah, disrespect this 1 hour fair value gap. So I wanted to see some sort of longs up to all-time highs into this one hour intermediate low. Did I end up taking longs? No, I ended up taking shorts. But I think it was a valid day to take shorts. It was valid, but it also was at the same time. So yeah, coming in today, we've just got this massive up move right at 9:30. Took out this liquidity, and yeah, we just started dumping. And by this time, the reason I was looking for shorts is because I wanted longs originally from this 15-minute, but we actually ended up inversing it, as you can see. Let me just show you. Yeah, we inversed it. We got a pretty strong closure through it. So I was like, yeah, I don't mind shorts now, because below us we had this 1 hour intermediate low. And the main thing I wanted was just this unfilled 15-minute here. I like that. Was this definitely a wrong thing, Sean? Yeah, we just had this little 15-minute fair value gap, so I just wanted shorts just to this. Pretty like a little internal trade. So yeah, we displaced through this 15-minute fair value gap. We got some decent like low resistance as well. We've got this 1 hour intermediate low. You know, we're clearly disrespecting bullish order flow by disrespecting this 15-minute gap. So okay. Then we started displacing off. We had these 5-minute gaps, but then we formed this 15-minute, and I was like, if we get a decent inversion and just a decent setup out of it, out of this 15-minute, I'm gonna take shorts. And we did. We did. So let's just mark all this out so we actually know what's going on here. There we go. There we flipping go. Let me take that off. So yeah, we've tapped into this 15-minute now. Let me just draw a TQ. Tapped into this 15-minute. We've tapped CE of the 15-minute, and we've tapped EQ of this 15-minute, of this range perfectly. We did get I don't have the 30-second chart, but we did get a 30-second inversion somewhere in here. And I actually took the entry off this 1 minute CISD. So I got in like here. Stop loss at the high because we had no stop on. I mean, we sort of did, but also we had this 5-minute just above, so I just wanted to be a bit more safe on this and just do the whole leg. Just fucking fly. So yeah, we had my stop loss there. TP is for a quick 1-to-1. No, my TP was at this unfilled 15-minute. 1 to 1.2. Break even at the bottom because there's no reason to go break even anywhere here. Because why would I go break even at this low? Might as well go break even here. You know what I mean? And yeah, it just didn't play out. Like, it just clearly got the wrong bias. Clearly just got the wrong, yeah, it's the wrong bias really. I mean, we are very, very, very bullish. But a short like this isn't bad to take. I don't think it really wasn't a bad trade. You know, I follow my rules, and yeah, it's part of the winning statistic. But this is the reason I should have faded it. there is a negative to this trade, and it's because, let me just go on replay. In fact, no, bro, like what? Get off my, what the fuck? Let me just go to stop loss. Yeah, and the reason this should have been maybe a bit more of a fade is just because of ES. As you can clearly see, let me do before this. As you can see, ES is just not like correlating at the end of the day. It's just not looking the same. You know, we're very much more bullish on ES than NQ. And on ES, we respected this 15 minute. Obviously, NQ disrespected it. ES respected this. Then we actually disrespected this 5 minute gap as we entered. Well, we entered a bit after, but we disrespected this 5 minute gap as well. ES were just clearly displacing towards this high. So, yeah, I just wasn't really paying attention to ES. And if I paid more attention, this should have been a fade, to be honest. Yeah, it's just one of them ones. If ES was correlated and looked the exact same as NQ, this is an A+ trade. Like it is an A+ trade. If they were both correlated, both looking more bearish, A+. But the only mistake with this trade is, yeah, ES is just a lot more bullish. We didn't disrespect this 15 minute. We respected this 15 minute, sorry, and then we disrespected this 5 minute, and we're very close to this high. While NQ, you know, was in this 15 minutes. So yeah, it should have been a fade. Was it a bad trade? No, because it definitely still could have played out. There was still reason, because we also had this SMT with 930. Oh, anyway, there's an ST at 930 high. Obviously, yes, to this 930 high. So it wasn't a bad trade at all. Let's say B plus trade. I'm on Evo, so maybe, you know. But yeah, no, there's no excuse. I should have faded it. A lot of people did take this, because at the end of the day, like, the confluences are very nice. Like, we are clearly more, we've, you know, edged this 15 minute. NQ is looking nice for shorts, but we just didn't look at ES, and yeah, they just weren't correlated. So yeah, that is my trade. Just took that one trade. I don't think I would have took any more trades, to be honest. There was like longs here, but 5 minute longs here, but then there was a 15 minute at the stop loss, so I wanted to take that. And yeah, there was no trades for me except that short, which I should have faded realistically, but I didn't break my rules. It wasn't a bad trade at all, and I'll learn from it. I'll make sure to make sure both are correlated before taking a trade, I guess. But yeah, that's the end of the trade recap, boys. Like, subscribe, do all that business. There's still 25% off Alpha Futures. Use my code. You've got till Sunday. So you got Friday, Saturday. You got 3 days left of the 25% off before it goes back to 10%. So make sure you take advantage. Use code SMG. It's Alpha Futures. Join the Discord, boys. Obviously, I'm in there all the time. Join my Discord. Follow my new TikTok as well. I've been uploading quite a bit on there. Brand new TikTok. Not shadow banned finally. Follow my socials. Subscribe. And yeah, in a bit, boys.